I took one T-top off just to show you. And we also ordered the emblem, and that's coming in. I will install that for you. Nice clean interior. 4-speed. 360 horse from the factory. Upgraded radio. Low mile car. Nice clean black interior. Here's the other T-top right there. Cars available here at mgmclassiccars.com. For financing, please go to my website at mgmclassiccars.com. For delivery quote, you may call or text me at 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. Thank you for watching. MGM Classic Cars has over 150 hand-picked cars in 2 locations here in our showroom. Check us out, mgmclassiccars.com.